There it is. So I was talking to Jose, Olympia, Moodle, the activities that I sent you need to do, it's from Moodle platform. Cuando es la otra, yo indico Cambridge platform. Okay. So let me show you the book. Let's start. It's taking too long today. Okay, Jose, let me first check, okay? Francesca's coming again. So we check many things, all that vocabulary, have got, it's also one of the topics we are going to use and describe and have. So we were here doing comparisons, right? Then we did this reading. And finally, we were discussing about the similarities and differences of this family with this family. Okay, remember that we were discussing about all the uses from comparatives, right? Comparative adjectives. It was the last one. And this is a speaking activity that I hope we can do later. Okay, guys, let's start doing the activities. This is going to be homework. I think this should be homework, but as we cannot send homework this week, we are going to okay. So let's start writing the description of a person. We're going to do an activity of writing today, guys. So let me show you. Luciana, please, your video, your camera should be on. Thank you. Okay. Look at the photo and read the text. Who is writing the description? Let's start planning. Gabriel, start reading, please. Microphone on. Gabriel, are you part of the class? Are you here? Are you with me? Yes? No? Guillermo, start reading, please.
My best friend is my brother, David. He is 20. He lives with me, my mom, and my dad. David is taller than me. He's got dark hair and green eyes. He's very intelligent and kid funny.
Quite funny too.
My brother's great, and he is a very good friend.
Excellent, Guillermo. Thanks a lot. So here we are checking few things, very simple to make a description. Okay, we're talking about tall person, an intelligent person, which are personality traits or personality type of adjectives. Okay, and we also have, he's got dark hair and green eyes. So in that case, you're talking also about the appearance, the physical appearance or the description of the physics from that person. Okay, so we have the two things. One would be the the description of the personality, and the other one will be the physical description. And we are going to make a mix of them together so you can start doing the description and get what the other person is. So it says, copy and complete the table for Javier. Let's read one more time, and then we are going to answer or fill in this chart in here. Jose, read please.
My best friend is my brother. David is 20. He lives with me, my mom, and my dad. David is taller than me.
Taller.
He's taller
Good.
than me. He's got dark hair and green eyes.
Eyes.
Eyes. Eyes. He's very intelligent, quite funny to my brother. Great, and he's a very good friend.
Excellent. Good, Jose. Remember that it is tall, eyes, and well, that's it. And pay attention to the punctuation marks, commas, and periods, okay? Next one. Andrea, help me out, please. Name, David. Age, what's the age? What's David's age?
20.
He's 20. 20 years old.
Sorry, he is 20 years old.
Thanks, Andrea. Carlos Boca. He lives with mom and dad. Description. Can you tell me what are the descriptive words we can find in this text? One with T, one with D, G, I, and F. Adjectives, Carlos. What are the adjectives we are finding here? He's using to describe David. Number one is tall, right? Tall. What else?
Beach.
Sorry? Notice we are going to find on the text the words that are descriptions, that are used as description. For example, tall, that gives me the characteristic of a person, okay? But what happens, what are the others, Carlos? Well, other words you see that are similar to these adjectives. For example, the hair, what color is the hair? What it says
Dark.
about the hair, Carlos? He's got what? I couldn't listen, Carlos. Dark. Dark. Okay. What's other we can find, Santiago? We have tall, we have dark. What other descriptive words is he using? Santiago, microphone on. The eyes, what color are the eyes? Green. Okay, green is another descriptive word, porque de cualquier ojos que podría tener, he has green eyes. That's a characteristic of that, okay? What other things we are describing, or what other descriptive words do we use to describe David? We say he is tall, he has something dark, he has something green. Intelligent, Mercy, you're totally right. Intelligent, because it's another characteristic I am describing from that person. Okay. Raise a hand, I couldn't miss. Abel, the last one.
Funny.
One descriptive word with F.
Funny.
Sorry?
Funny.
Funny. Funny. Thank you guys. Yes, the one that sent that to the chat box here. Okay. Okay. Sometimes when it is these writing activities, I go on. So, useful language. We are going to use these words also, which are very useful for, especially for writing. Okay. So listen, guys. Pay attention. Luciana and Francesca, your cameras. Next time, you're just gonna go to waiting room. Okay. Okay, so these modifiers are three, okay? These three modifiers are not very, quite, or really, and very, / very. We use those words to intensify the characteristic, okay? It's not she is funny, she is very funny. It's not that she's happy, she's very happy. Okay, so we give more intensity to those descriptions, to those characteristics, once we use these modifiers, okay, or these modifiers. So, find examples of modifiers in Javier's description. So here we are, and we have several modifiers, okay? Quite funny. Quite funny means also very, a lot. Okay, quite funny, very intelligent. Here we have another one. Very good friend. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So those are the modifiers we find in this text. When you start doing your activities, you are also going to use those modifiers, right? So then it says, complete the sentences with modifiers so they are truth for you. Okay, you're going to use this sentence. Number one, Rebecca, read please. I am not very or quite. Look at here. Look at the intensity. Not very, quite, a little more, and then really or very, which is a lot. So
Really
what do you see?
Really,
What?
really very tame.
Yeah, so which one are you going to use to describe yourself, Rebecca? Are you very tall or not very tall?
Very tall.
Okay, complete sentence then. I am I am very tall, okay? Repeat, please.
Very tall.
I am very tall, thank you. Next one, Jonathan, number 2. Jonathan, microphone on.
My dad is
Not very, quite, or very intelligent. What do you think?
not very
Not very intelligent.
intelligent.
Good. Thanks, Jonathan. Alexander, number 3.
My best friend eats a lot. It's hot, good.
Good looking, he's handsome. So tell me, not
Okay.
very, quite, or very handsome? Or good look?
Really very.
What? Can you repeat, please?
It's very good looking.
Good. Thanks, Alexander. Next one, Dana. Number 4, please. Read number 4 and tell me, according to the reality, my English teacher is not very quiet or very funny.
My English teacher is quite funny.
Sorry? Can you speak louder, please?
My English teacher is quite funny.
Thank you. Excellent, Dana. I'm quite funny. Okay, so we are going to start now to write. We still have 13 minutes. I'm going to give you 10 minutes to write, okay? And you are going to do exactly this description about your best friend. Your best friend can be your brother, your sister, your mom, your grandpa, the dog, whatever you want. But you're going to include descriptions of physical descriptions. At least you need to include 3 characteristics, 3 physical characteristics, and 3 personality traits, or 3 words that describe the personality of these people, of this person. Okay, so let's start reading this one, and you are going to do a very, very similar paper to this one. Okay, very similar. So what we are going to do now is to do it by hand. Okay, guys, you're going to do it by hand. Open your folder, open your English folder, take one paper, and let's start writing by hand, okay? Take a pen, take a pencil, and by hand, you are going to write a descriptive paragraph about your best friend, okay? So let me see your papers, let me see your pencils, your pen, okay? So everybody is ready. Maria Sol and Francesca, your cameras, please. Angelina, some story. Cameras on. The whole class.
Sorry, teacher, my internet is very slow. Slow.
Okay. Yeah, I see you coming and going, Francesca. Okay, thank you. Thanks for the explanation. Angelina and Maria Sol, I'm waiting for yours. So, listen. You are going to write this paragraph with this amount of sentences. As I told you, 3 sentences. Let me type that on the chat box. 3 sentences describing the personality and 3 sentences describing the physical description, okay? Remember to use intensifiers, not very, quite, and very or really fun. Okay? Even though your best friend is a man or a woman, do the description. Okay? Use quantifiers. Use quantifiers. Yeah, use 3 quantifiers. Write 3 sentences about personality and 3 physical characteristics. So, write 2 sentences about personality, describing personality. Describing personality and 3 physical characteristics. Okay, that's what we are going to do. Okay, let me see, where's the timer? So you have 10 minutes to do this activity, and we are going to read it on the next class. Okay, we finish at 8, it's 7:51, so you have exactly 10 minutes to write that paragraph. Let's start. I need to see you writing, okay? Today, ahorita lo vamos a hacer como en primaria, como en la escuela. Te va a escribir y yo quiero verlo escribiendo y después me muestra lo que escribió, ¿ok? Porque esto sí necesito ver que lo están haciendo en el momento. Es class activity. Recuerden que esta semana no podemos enviar tareas, right? Así que en la clase usted me va a dar todo, ¿ok? Let's go, 10 minutes. 8 minutes. I'm going to put the video, okay, for the 10 minutes video. So then you can be ready.
Teacher, yo no tengo mejor amiga, ¿cómo voy a hacer?
Sorry?
Yo no tengo mejor amigo.
I'm going to show you the book. You don't need the book, Angelina. Folder. Use your folder. Vamos a hacerlo a mano. Okay? So
No,
I'm showing you. Angelina,
¿Puedo
can you
ir a ver
speak?
mi cuaderno? Para
Yes,
escribir.
go. Go and get your material. No problem. So, Angelina, ready? Ahora sí, ¿ya? Open your English folder. Open your English folder. Y en la hoja de carpeta es donde vamos a trabajar. Okay? Write a paragraph similar to what I showed you. Okay? Give me a second. Give me a second. So I can put the video and start working. There we go. Okay, guys, I'm going to put the video right now. You have exactly 7 minutes now to finish, okay, until the class is over. But start writing your sentences. Remember to use correct vocabulary. We use have got. My best friend has got dark hair, blonde hair, red hair, long hair, short hair, green, blue, black eyes, I don't know. Okay, remembering all those. Intelligent, good looking, good person, beautiful, kind, a people person, energetic, talkative. We can talk about many things related to people, many adjectives. Okay, so focus on that, use that knowledge you have. So let's go.
Nestlé es Guayaquil, así, así Nestlé.
Sorry for that, I haven't paid premium. If you don't have a best friend, put a normal friend. You can put somebody on your family. If you don't have a friend, you can describe your mom, you can describe your father, describe your grandma, no problem. But describe one person. Everybody writing, working, cameras on. No, it cannot be a pet or an animal because you need to describe the personality. And we cannot describe the personality of a dog. Okay, maybe the behavior, but not personality. Everybody working. Carlos, are you writing? Yes. William, are you writing? Yes, your paragraph. Excellent. Remember that I need you to do the sentences. Please don't do the thing of looking in internet because believe me, I'm going to notice.
Miss,
Yes.
la pantalla se me puso en negro otra vez.
Yeah, maybe it's a problem of internet, Angelina. Continue writing only, that I'm going to listen to you later, okay? So in the next class, we are coming back and you have to be ready with your paragraph. So as soon as I tell you someone, I mean a name, in that second, you turn your camera on and explain and start reading your paragraph, okay? So as soon as we come back, I'm going to ask you to read your paragraph, your description, okay? So I'll see you later. Okay? So see you next class. Finish your activity, okay? Finish the activity. I have to give you 10 minutes. And now we have the recess. See you next class, okay? Bye-bye. Finish.